Good evening, friends. Welcome to more Robogrammer. So, I've taken the standard chassis that came out of the manual, which is basically just a robot that rolls around, and added a couple of sensors. And sensors are where robots get kind of interesting, because now, not only can I tell the robot to do things, but the robot can tell itself to do things based on the input it receives from its environment. So, it doesn't just become the controller, it starts having a little mind of its own. So, I've added two sensors. The one in the back is a push sensor, and it'll go off whenever this orange button is kind of depressed. In the front, we've got the robot eyes. They're really an ultrasonic sensor, and they go off if an object is sensed in front of those eyes. And I created a very simple program right on the robot, just a couple of symbols, but it's still kind of fun. When the robot receives a push, well, then we'll see it roll forward. When the robot sees something in front of it, then it'll play a tone. So in effect, what happens is when I hit the robot, it runs away. When I jump in front of the robot, it screams. I find this very satisfying. This is exactly why I came into robot making. I think what I'd like to do next, though, is see what kind of trouble I can get up to when I'm not just programming by pushing buttons on the robot, but I actually have the full resources of the computer at my disposal.